Hi everyone, my name is Candace. I am the owner of Kandi, and today we are here to talk about my lip care routine. The reason why I wanted to show you guys my lip care routine is because we are launching our lip scrubs. And with our lip scrubs, they come with a lot of nourishment and a lot of things that are very healthy, organic, and you can actually eat them as well. I wanted to show you how both the lip scrubs and also our lip glosses go hand in hand with each other, and I thought it'd be fun to just show you my routine and how I take care of my lips and make sure that I maintain a nice healthy regimen for my lips. So if you would like to see how I take care of my regimen, then go ahead and stay tuned. So like I was saying before, our lip scrubs are going to be launching, and we have started off with 3 lip scrubs. Right now we have Cotton Candy, and this is what they look like. And then we also have Birthday Cake. And then we also have Pumpkin Spice. And for today's look, or for today's routine, we're going to be actually using Pumpkin Spice. Each scrub is infused with vitamin E. The reason why I have vitamin E, because vitamin E actually helps promotes antioxidants and free radicals, and basically helps protect your skin and nourishes them at the same time. Also in our scrubs, depending on which scrub you have, the Birthday Cake and the Cotton Candy, those are both infused with flavoring, and with the Pumpkin Spice, this one's actually infused with pumpkin spice, the seasonings and things like that, and then it also has raw sugar, fine sugar, and brown sugar in this one. And then of course you guys know about our lip glosses. Our lip glosses are also infused with vitamin E. They are also infused with sweet almond oil. So those things combined with the product is actually really great for your lips. So we're going to be using both of those today for this lip care routine. As I talk, I'm going to show you guys here how I started off in the morning and how my first, what are the first steps that I do. So the first steps that I do when it comes to my lip care is I basically wash my face. You got to make sure your face is clean. And the first thing that I like to do is actually get a razor, and I like to go ahead and remove the little hairs around my mouth. I'm pretty sure I'm not the only female here that has a little mustache here and there, so you got to take care of that in order to make sure that you have a nice full matte canvas, especially before you put on makeup, because I've done it before where I've done my makeup and then not really realizing that I had a full kind of mustache going on, and then I do close-ups and then you see all that and it's just not cute whatsoever. And the next couple things, these are going to actually do with you on here. I'm not going to show a little video, so we're going to take care of this together. So the first steps that I like to do is I like to remove the lipstick that I have on, or if I have lipstick on. If I don't, I just go ahead and jump on to the next step. But today we're going to go ahead and do this together like I said. I am wearing some lipstick right now, and it is pretty matte. If I were to do this, like, it hardly comes off. So because of that, I'm going to take some coconut oil, and I'm going to be taking some unrefined coconut oil. This is my favorite go-to product to remove makeup. I'm just going to take a little bit because a little goes a long way, and I'm going to apply it over my lips like so. And then I like to take a napkin, and in this case it's a baby wipe because I have a baby, so they're right there. If you don't have a baby wipe or anything, like, you definitely use a napkin. And I just remove the lipstick, like so. So now that the lipstick is removed, and now we're going to go ahead and jump onto the next thing here. Alright, so now that I brought you guys in a little bit closer so you guys can see, we're now going to jump into the next step that I like to do. And the next thing that I like to actually do is take a nice little small scrubber that I got from Sephora. I believe this was like something like that, but I've had it for over 2 years. But I'm just now like getting to like the end of the whole stick. And basically this stick is a nice lip scrub. It's not really a scrub in my opinion. It's more of a light scrubber. It really doesn't do much of like removing the skin, but it does nourish the lips at the same time. So I really like that. Honey is a very great ingredient as well to use. Definitely edible. So we're just gonna take a little bit. Ooh, it tastes just like pumpkin spice. It's so good. Like if you were to go to like Starbucks and get that pumpkin bread that they have every year, like honestly, this tastes just like that. So anyway, back to the video. We're gonna take a pea size just like this, okay? And we're gonna apply it to the lips. And like it literally tastes like, seriously, it tastes like pumpkin just chilling on my lips right now. As you can see, the lips are already looking nice and fresh and plump. They're not looking too dry. They're not looking like it didn't work at all. All the healthy skin is right here in the middle, and all the dead skin has now been removed. As it's sitting on my lips right now, it doesn't feel heavy whatsoever. I could definitely feel more of the ingredients really working together and really exfoliating, because even though I used that pea-sized amount of lip scrub, it really did generate a nice kind of like thick coating on my lips. And even right now, like I could do this, like you could tell like it's like working really well. So I'm really happy on how the lip scrub itself is really working out, and I'm gonna just zoom in a little bit better so you guys can see. Nice and healthy. That's exactly what you want. So right now you can either, so you have two options right now. You can either lick it off. Honestly, it's not going to kill you to eat the sugar with your dead skin on. It's not going to kill you whatsoever. Like, I'm pretty sure like any normal human being, if you didn't have a napkin right now, you'd just be licking that up. So you can totally lick it up if you want. You can also just use that same napkin that you used earlier to remove the lipstick and remove it that way. And I'm actually going to, let's do the top removing, and then at the bottom we'll lick it off. Look how healthy my lips are, baby. Kiss them. I want to see if they taste like, if you could taste it.
A little bit.
What it taste like?
I'm not really sure.
Tastes like pumpkin spice. Okay, so as you guys can see, the lips are nice and healthy. They don't feel like too dry either. Like, you can definitely feel the moisture has gone into them. And so now to wrap everything up, we're going to go ahead and moisturize the lips again so they stay nice and plump. And today we're going to be using pink watermelon to go ahead and finish off with the look. Nice and simple, easy lip care routine. Put on some glosses, you're done, and just let them suckers pretty juicy. So, like all of our glosses, they look very pigmented, but they aren't. They glide on very sheer and still gives you that pack of shine without having to really add more product on top of it. And now we have nice juicy lips. Super simple, easy to do lip care routine. Again, these are the items that I used for this whole routine. We used unrefined coconut oil to remove the lipstick, in a nice little towel to remove it. Then as our scrub, we used pumpkin spice. And to finish everything off, we followed with the pink watermelon lip gloss. So that is exactly how I do my lip care routine. If you guys did like this video, don't forget to give this a good thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments down below. I would love to answer your question. And don't forget to hit on that subscribe button, as I would like for you to be part of the fam. And that's gonna be it, guys. Pretty simple, pretty quick. Just want to give you guys a quick little tutorial on how to keep your lips nice and juicy. I'll catch you guys at the next video. Peace!